Yo, you guys, it's Badger here, and today we are doing a quick review, or at least my opinion, on this little guy. This is the Tesvor S4 vacuum robot. Has a little laser on top, which is good, gives it this extra hair coordination. And yeah, it's doing a pretty good job. I'm pretty satisfied with what it's doing. Sounds wise, it's not really loud. Obviously, you don't hear anything because we did mute the sound. But you see, it is going all the way in the corners. It's not actually bumping into it. It just makes a really clean stop right in front of the wall and covers everything. Also, as you can see, the app is pretty straight, efficient, and self-explaining. Right here, we are in it now. And as you can see, right now, nothing is in here. Well, we have the robot, obviously, but it doesn't know what's happening yet. So it will start like doing or outlining the apartment now, because it's the first time we're using it, obviously. As you can see, it starts to shape up and scanning the surroundings, and after a while, it will understand what's happening around it, and then you can actually, yeah, create rooms and be like, hey, don't clean the kitchen, or keep this little corner in that room um, specially clean, or don't go in that corner in specific. And that's actually pretty self-explaining. The little blue dot, that's our vacuum robot, and as you see, it is getting there. It is creating and doing what it can to get used to our apartment here, which is good. It also will let you know how big your apartment is, at least what it thinks how big it is, and how long it will take in the future to clean this space. Also in the settings you see here, there's quite a bit. There's like timers and suction power. You can say, okay, well, you're gonna start each day or just specific days. Um, and then there's different modes like the close and quiet, strong, and all that. So you can probably even go in there and be like, okay, Monday is our day where we can have it loud, but on Wednesday we will turn that on the low suction mode because we don't want to bother anyone. And then, as you see, there's a bunch of languages you can choose here and download, and also there is some information about those separate parts, and then there is also a cleaning, no, not cleaning, water compartment that you can actually use. I'm not the biggest fan of these in general, though. That's not for the Tesla itself. I'm just not liking when there's water inside. And yeah, you can put that also on your smart home devices and control from there. And that's basically the Tesla S4.